Hi, I'm Josh, here to answer your copyright questions. What are the best practices for creators who are dealing with Content ID claims and copyright takedowns? 1, don't use material you don't own if you can avoid it. Look for other sources like the YouTube audio library or other licensing services. 2, always upload your video as private or unlisted first. This allows you to address copyright issues found by Content ID before posting to your subscribers. However, copyright claims can happen at any time. 3, if you get a claim for content that isn't essential to your video, consider removing the claimed content, either with our tools or reposting an edited video. 4, if you get a copyright claim that looks invalid, don't be afraid to dispute it. This is the best way to alert the claimant that they may have made a mistake. 5, the appeal and counter notice steps of the dispute flow are powerful tools, but they can have consequences for you as a creator. Understand how they work and use them when appropriate. 6, if you find problems, you can reach out to creator support or post in the help community. We take these very seriously and investigate as many as we can. Check out more info in our help center linked in the description below, and be sure to check out the other videos in our copyright series linked here. Thanks.